This is Connor and this is Dan. Both have decided to add a rear kitchen extension to their home. Connor is using his local builder, Dan has hired Modern Extension. While Connor's builders noisily get to work without much pre-planning, demolishing the back wall of his house, Dan simply logs on to Modern Extension's website and chooses an extension from within their 3 extensive ranges that best suits his requirements, styling, budget, and existing house layout. Failing that, he downloads the Modern Extension Factory app and in a fun and simplistic way dials up a bespoke structurally personalised styling. A powerful yet simplistic app capable of generating over 13,000 possible structural kitchen extension permutations, all while enjoying his morning coffee. Booking an appointment, his Modern Extension rep arrives. Using the very latest in construction hard and software, he laser scans the rear of Dan's property both inside and out. With blueprints of soft design agreed, contracts can be signed and the project can move forward to full hard design. Scans are then imported into the latest advanced engineering software, generating working engineering, structure, and manufacturing drawings that are millimeter perfect, allowing up to 70% of his home extending project to be manufactured off-site at their factory through advanced digital engineering. Once the engineers at their factory have signed off on the structural design drawings, the project then goes into simultaneous off-site fabrication and manufacture, as opposed to dated, time-consuming, weather-dependent, family-disrupting, linear on-site manufacture and construction. With all of the Modern Extension designs having a steel-based superstructure to cater for modern family living with large glazed expanses and open-plan designs that push the boundaries, the steel fabrication process begins. With one of the thickest solid concrete engineered precast walls in the sector at 130mm, it consistently outperforms conventional block building in both strength and heat retention. Coupled with an engineered inner wall leaf with pumped insulated clear cavity ensuring no cold bridging from inner to outer leaf, the system Dan has chosen is fully building reg compliant to meet the most up-to-date requirements both thermally and structurally. Similarly, his engineered warm roof is designed and manufactured to meet the highest standards and can be engineered both flat or pitched with his roof windows pre-installed. The system also allows for jaw-dropping glazing options and expanses with lift and slide door units up to 9 meters if required, effectively becoming moving glass walls. Modern Extension will also source, supply and fit all of his finishing specs to include door sets, tiles, flooring, sanitary ware, and have extended meaningful discount invoicing to all of his finishing specs through bulk buying. Modern Extension will also supply detailed plan drawing layouts on all finishing specs, to include location and quantities. With all of the components of Dan's kitchen extension ready for dispatch, his project is assigned a shipping and fitting date that ties in with the on-site ground crew. Thankful that his chosen system has burnt a lot less carbon, with most of the noise and heavy construction work happening at the factory and not back and forth to his home. As Connor's family shivered through week after week of exposed walls and builders trekking through their home, and very little progress as their builder is waiting on steel installation through late ordering, Dan's new extension arrives, flat packed and ready to assemble. Constructed of steel and insulated precast concrete, with the roof already 80% complete on arrival. Through meticulous project pre-planning and Modern Extension's use of cutting-edge construction hard and software, they shipped just 15 pre-made large pieces to Dan's property for assembly and erection. It takes a mere 2 weeks to erect and install the structure, reducing the on-site construction time by an average of 60 to 70%. As opposed to conventional building, bringing anywhere from 5,000 small pieces for on-site manufacture, assembly, and construction, and all the time and disruption that process causes. With Dan's new kitchen extension structurally complete and sealed with windows and doors installed, and the back wall of the existing house removed and supporting steel in place as part of the erection process, unlike Connor, Dan has no weeks-long delays with no forward progress, waiting on structural steel, design, fabrication and installation at the worst possible time for him and his family, as would be the norm under conventional block building, requiring structural steel for CE marking. So if you are thinking of extending your home, do it the smart way. Choose a Modern Extension. Residential home extending for the 2020s.